Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add a slideshow to Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then just have to go to wixstudio.com. And of course, you have to log in with your account, and then right here, you can choose to edit your existing sites or create a new site. So for this video, to make it understandable, I'm just going to create a new site. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this create a new site at the top right of your screen. So this one, and then make sure to select the studio blank canvas. Okay, that's right. Now just wait for a few seconds and we'd be directed to this page. So before we start, let me just delete this element. I don't want this element right here. So I'm just going to click on this element and click on delete. Okay, so let me just click on this one and then just click on delete. Okay, by the way guys, we are just going to use one page for this video, so we don't have to worry about other pages. Okay, so now that we're ready, we just have to simply click on this add elements option at the top left of your screen, and then just click on the layout tools option. Okay, so this one. Next is just click on the flexbox under the advanced. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this different layout, so I'll be using this one. Okay, so I suggest you use this one as well. Just have to click on it, and then you can also stretch it out, or just simply click on this option or this icon at the top right of this box to stretch it automatically. Okay, now that we are ready, next thing that we can do is we have to go back to this section right here. I mean the layer section. So just click on layers and then make sure to click on the flex box. So now we can start adding media from the different item section. Okay, so we are going to click on a specific item. So this one below the flex box. Okay, now let me just close this one, and you'd be able to see this option at the top, this add media option. So you just have to click on it. And then right here, just have to upload your own media, of course. But for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. You can also use the search bar at the top to search for specific images that you want to use for your slideshow. So I'm just going to type out makeup, and I'll be using this first image. Okay, so just click on it and then just click on add to page. Okay, that's right. Next is we just have to go back right here, the layers. Then we have to minimize the first item and then click on the second item. Okay, so let me just close this one. Or you can also click on the box directly if you want to. And then just do the same, just add your media. Okay, so let me just finish setting up all of these 4 items. So just click on add to page. Okay, let's go to the third item. Okay, this one right here. Let me just minimize the second one. Okay, and then just click on add media. You can also scroll to your right if you want to see the frame. Okay, but to make this video quick, I'm just going to continue adding media or images first. Okay, so let me just go to the last item right here. And then just click on this add media again. Okay, that's right. So for the last image, I think I am going to use this one. And then just click on add to page. Okay, so now that we are done adding media, we're going to add more text or paragraphs later on. So let me just click on this arrow at the top right. Okay, and then right here, we are going to change the display type. Okay, under the layout, so we are going to choose slides for this one. And for the direction, I'm going to choose left to right. So we also have the top to bottom option, but I suggest you just have to use left to right. And of course, we can increase the items per slide. So just have to click on this arrow that is facing downwards and upwards. So of course, I'm just going to select maybe one image or item per slide. And you have more options right here, so you can customize the slides of this section or this layer. Okay, now let's go back to the layers, and then I am going to add now text or paragraphs per item. So to do that, you just have to click on that specific item and go to the text section, and then just have to drag that specific text that you want to add. Okay, so for example, this is a title for this item, then just have to drag that and then change the text. Now I'm going to add a paragraph. So the purpose of the paragraph is you can add your description right here. So you just have to select all of the text and then type out your own text. Okay, so right here we have the title or heading 2 for item number 2. Now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so we can click on this one right here to select that specific item. Okay, so you can see it is not visible because we did not scroll to our right. So you can use your touchpad to scroll to your right. Okay, so let me just add here a new heading or a title for this item. And I'm going to add a paragraph again. So make sure to drag the paragraph so you'd be able to add that to that specific item. Okay, and then for the next slides or items, I think I need to add buttons. So to add buttons on that specific item, just have to click on that item first, of course, and then just head on to the buttons. Okay, and then I am going to use this button right here, and then we are going to change the text and add a link for this button. So to change the text, just click on change text. Then if you'd like to add your link right here, then just click on the link icon. Okay, so take note that you can add any kinds of elements that you want. So let us try to preview this slideshow. Okay, so as you can see, we have here the scroll bar that we can use to proceed to the next slide. And if you would like to eliminate the scroll bar, you can do that as well. You just have to go back to edit site and then make sure to toggle the switch off for the scroll bar. Okay, so now that we are ready, the last thing that we should do is to publish this website. Okay, so just click on save and continue, and let us try to visit our site. So just click on view site right here and see if our slideshow is working. Okay, so all is good. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.